Beards aren't a problem with CleanSpace's newest powered respirator, the CleanSpace Agile. Its mask and PAPR system is designed to compensate for facial hair by maintaining positive air pressure. No need for fit testing. It's a powered respirator, so a fan does the breathing work for you instead of your lungs. It runs CleanSpace's patented air sensor technology, which senses your breathing and delivers pure air on demand, up to 240 liters a minute when you're working hard, and backing off when you're not. In practice, that means you're not fighting the mask all day, and it's the difference between your gear that your crew actually uses and the gear that lives in the ute. The filter is a particulate filter rated at 99.97% filtration efficiency, and you'll get up to 7 hours of run time on a charge. It recharges to 95% in under 2 hours, leaving it sitting in storage and it'll hold that charge for up to a year, so it's ready when you need it. It's IP54 rated for dust and water, or IP65 with the cleaning and storage plug fitted for washdowns, and it's certified to Australian standards. It's a light unit at 475 grams that sits comfortably and elevated off the back of the neck with the use of different size neck braces, and uses an easy clip-on and off system to attach the mask. Its fabric harness and general design allow it to be used with PPE such as hearing protection, safety eyewear, and a hard hat. Its mask design is perfect for beards. Because of the positive air pressure, it can use its loose-fitting bib to press and contour against the stubble or beard without letting any particulates leak through.
Its transparent mask allows a full and clear view of the mouth for easier communication, and its face mask is a one-size-fits-all design.
You'll find that it's a much better experience than your average P2 disposable mask or passive filtered P2 mask. Breathing through filters requires deeper respiratory effort, and this can fatigue you over time, especially when working hard. The CleanSpace Agile mask is easier to breathe with less risk of particulate exposure, and especially in the summer months, it helps your face feel that fresh and cool feel. It's easy to put on as well. Connect the PAPR unit with your preferred neck support to the mask on one side and clip on the fabric harness on the back of the PAPR and the two side points on the front mask. Press the power button to turn it to standby mode. This means it'll start working as soon as you wear the mask. Wrap it around your neck from one side, fitting your head in the harness and clipping the remaining side. Just adjust the head harness as you need it. The mask will detect your breathing and start operating according to it, providing positive air pressure. One of the great things about the CleanSpace Agile as well is that it can conduct an airflow test to confirm filter efficiency and sufficient battery tested against a flow equal to or greater than 190 liters per minute. Simply lay the unit down on a flat surface and put it on standby mode. Press the flow test button. Once the test is completed, it either provides 3 solid green lights as a pass or 3 flashing green lights as a fail. If the unit fails, ensure you replace it with a new filter and/or fully charge the battery. You can find the CleanSpace Agile kit here at Agile Equipment, along with optional accessories at agileequipment.com.au, or call us on 1300 092647. You can visit us at our Brisbane showroom in Murray to check it out as well. Thanks for watching.